Guys, welcome. I have some leftover vegetables in the refrigerator and I have some leftover chicken. Let me see what I can make with this chicken that would be eatable for dinner. Stand by, guys. Leftovers, onions, some green beans, some, scallions, and I have some leftover chicken. Let's see what I can do with this. It's so good, guys. It's so delicious. So good. I made another soup. Chicken bouillon soup. Can't even talk, it's so good. Bouillon soup, bouillon cube, some string beans, guys, some scallop onions. They call it green onions. Some regular onions. What else I put in? Ginger, black pepper, and a chicken bouillon cube. And I have one pepper in here. One pepper. So good. So good, guys. I promise you, I think I'm going to be on a soup binge because soups are keto friendly. Vegetable soups, this is all vegetables. Y'all saw me make another vegetable soup earlier. It was a spinach soup. So I love soups. How about you? I love soups. Yes, I do. I love soups. So what about you? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share me out. Consider becoming a member just to help me grow this channel. Guys, I love you. You know Wally loves you. Wally sends his love. Love you, love you, love you.